Hey, this is Matt from AVNation.tv. We are here in sunny Orlando, Florida for InfoComm 2019. We are in the FSR booth with my friend Chaz. Chaz, how you doing, bud?
Matt, good to see you again. Welcome to the FSR booth.
So FSR has been well known for floor boxes. You expanded into tabletop boxes, you expanded into ceiling boxes. You've covered a large portion of, flip tops, tables, the whole kit. You're showing something new this year that I honestly didn't realize you didn't have. Probably just because we didn't look for it. But you're debuting a new overfloor raceway.
A floor raceway system, that's correct,
Let's talk
Matt.
a little bit about that.
It's called the Smart Weight System. And what's unique about this product is several things. First off, the height of the system is just over a half an inch high.
Right.
Because of that, we're not required to have expansive ramps on either side to maintain ADA compliance.
Yep.
So it gives us a low profile, a small form factor to work with. In addition to that, we've designed it so it works with standard 12 gauge wire for the high voltage.
Yep.
So you can have up to 4 20 amp circuits.
Wow.
In addition to that, you can have up to 7 Cat 5e cables or 6 Cat 6a cables inside. So there's lots of capacity to do whatever you want. In addition to that, we use standard duplex decor style outlets in our device box. So it's very easy to configure. You can use off-the-shelf components to populate the box.
Yep. We've got our standard wall entries.
We have 3 wall entries available, a standard capacity, a large capacity, and the third version has knockouts that allow you to work with Hubble's wall raceway system.
Oh, nice.
So it's very easy to configure, very adaptable to any type of situation.
That's really cool.
We've got our UL approval this week for it. It starts shipping August 15th. We're very excited about it, and it's been a huge hit for us here at the show.
Fantastic. One of the key things that, when we first started talking about it and looking at it, I didn't catch right away, which I shame myself and I hang my head with shame because I didn't notice it. But
we won't hold that against you.
You will. It's fine. It's cool. I hold me against it. There's no surface screws. The top plate doesn't have screws.
Correct. The beauty of our system, the side ramps snap in and the top cover holds the entire system together.
It's amazing.
All you need to do, press this down, it snaps right in, no special installation tools.
Right.
You screw the base system into the floor, snap this in, it works on floor, on carpet, any type of installation. It works very simple, very easy.
Now when you're doing service or maintenance, is it easy to get out?
Very easy. We actually include a tool with the system.
Oh, you're the best.
That pops the lid right off, trying to make it simple, easy, and is serviceability. That's the key.
I'm assuming it orders the same way that most raceway systems order. You buy 6-foot chunks and you buy your pieces as you go, or does it come in kits?
Both. We have pre-configured kits that allow you to have all the devices, or you can order off a menu. And one of the things that's really unique to our system, if you look at some of the competitors out there, they have a long list of parts.
Yep.
Our whole parts list is 18 pieces long.
What?
18 pieces long.
That's
it is a very, very simple, easy to configure, easy to design system.
Absolutely fantastic. So moving beyond the floor, you're also showing some new Symphony products.
Correct.
Let's talk about those for a second.
One of the trends that we've seen in the market is, if you look at a traditional AV tabletop box, I'm going to be blunt, they're ugly. We've done a lot of work on the design side, and we've worked with outside consultants, actually from the contract furniture market.
Okay.
And they came to us and said, we need the technology that you provide in the tabletop, but we need a better look. We need something that is more visually appealing. So last year we introduced a whole new product family called Symphony, and it combines the technology needs that we, the AV world, need, along with the looks that the design community requires. This year we expanded that. We see a huge demand in the sit-stand desk. And what customers want is they want the ability to provide connectivity underneath the desk, and then additional power and charging above the desk.
Right.
So we have an interconnected system that has a base unit. You can have up to 2 satellites. It will provide up to 8 AC outlets and up to 4 dual USB chargers. So it can give you as much power as you want to get all your devices on the desktop.
Now, is it just power?
Power, USB charging, and you also have the capability of including any type of low voltage snap-ins. We work with our partner in this is Hubble. They provide all the snap-in connectors for that, so anything in their catalog can be put in our box.
Very good. Anything else exciting that we should talk about?
A couple other products that we're introducing here at the show. We've introduced a very simplistic wireless switcher. It has an HDMI input and a wireless input. It features dual network connections, so you can have a guest network and a corporate network, providing that security that everyone wants at a very, very affordable price. We've introduced a new 10-inch poke-through to add to our SmartFit family, so if you want to poke through with lots of capacity, we can do that for you also.
Very cool. Poke-throughs are not going away. They're still bread and butter, right?
Absolutely.
Very good.
Floor boxes, poke-throughs, those are our core business and will be for a long time.
Fantastic. So if people want to find out more information about the new Smart Raceway, the new Symphony, and of course the whole line of products that FSR has, where can they do that?
Absolutely. First, you can see us here. We're in booth 3942. Second of all, visit us on the web at www.fsrinc.com. And last but not least, you can always find me on Twitter at Chaz_FSRinc.
Beautiful. Thank you so much, Chaz. For
Thanks,
more
Matt.
footage from the show floor and to learn more about AVNation, please visit avnation.tv. That's avnation.tv.